Hello viewers, welcome to my channel The Beginner Guy. I had uploaded a video about making bootable pendrive using command prompt. That is a manual method. You should check out that video once for learning purpose. Here is a quick solution given by Microsoft. So stay tuned in this video. Let's begin. So first you need to open this website. I have given the link in the description and go to this section, create Windows 11 installation media, and plug in your USB drive into your computer. This is my USB drive. It has no files, but if you have files in your USB drive, make sure you create a backup for those files. So click on this download now and save this file anywhere on your computer. Click on save. The file is downloaded. Open this file. Click on yes. This window will open. Click on accept. Language English United States, edition Windows 11. Click on next. Choose which media to use, USB drive, ISO file. I'm using USB flash drive. It needs to be 8 GB. My USB drive is around 14.6 GB. It is 16 GB pen drive. Click on next. Removable drives H. Yes, it is H. Click on next. And the process has started. This will take some time, and make sure you are connected to the internet, because this will download files from the internet to your USB drive. This process is about to complete. Now my USB flash drive is ready. Click on finish. Now my bootable pen drive is ready to use. So that's so simple. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. And if you like this background, you can purchase it from the link given in the description. This will support me as a small creator. So see you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.